Okay, in this video I'm going to give you a quick run through on how to install, customize and use OptinExitBlaze to convert your lost visitors into valued subscribers. Now of course the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install a plugin, and to do that I'm going to the plugins area on the left here within WordPress and clicking on add new, and I'm going to click on upload. So that takes us to this page here. Then I just click on choose file, then obviously we select the plugin zip file, open that, and then hit the install now button. So that's installed successfully. All I do then is click the activate plugin, and that has now installed it. If we look on the left hand side here in this section here, we know that it's installed because first of all it says plugin activated, but also we can see the settings page here. If I click on where it says OptinExitBlaze, that would then take us to this page here. Now I'll give you a quick run through as on the features of this page. Basically we have this field up here, this box where we type in the exit URL for non-registered visitors. This is really for everybody here. We type in the URL of the page that we'd like to show to people when they go to leave your website. In the box below here, what we're going to do here is type in the message that is shown to people before they leave your website, and this is a way of being able to keep them on your site to show them the exit page here, which we type in the URL for here. Underneath this we have the exit URL for registered non-logged in members. Now this is great if you're running a membership website and you only want to show your exit page to your members. This is how you do it. It's basically the same as what we have up here. We've got the exit URL and then the confirmation text would go there too. So we can actually show two different types of exit offers from your website. If I scroll down the page a little bit more, we can see we have how often would we like the exit offer to be shown to our visitors. We have it set here to always, but it can always be once a day, or it can be a certain number of times per browser session. Now a browser session, in case you didn't know, it's basically when you go to exit your browser, that closes a browser session. So whenever I launch my web browser, that's called a session. Okay, so let's say we have that set to, we show this let's say three times per browser session. So it basically means that the exit window is going to be shown 3 times until the browser is closed, is exited from, is quit from. So this is another way of just being able to control how many times people see your offer. But as well as this, we can also specify the pages that OptinExitBlaze appears, and we can have it show on all the pages. We've got breaking it down to posts, single posts. We have pages, categories, and also we can have it show on only the front page here. But in addition to this, we can get in to a more kind of microscopic level here. We could look at do not show on these pages and posts, and what we do is we type in a specific number. This would be the page ID for the page or the post would go in here, and you can have it either show on those pages or only show on these. So do not show on these posts and pages, we just check the box there, we type in the number, or show on these posts and pages only, again check the box there, make sure that's turned off, type in the number there, then you update your options. So that's really how you go about setting it up. So let's actually go ahead and do this. Okay, so I'll be back in a second with all the files that we need. Okay, I've entered all the details into OptinExitBlaze now. So if we look at the first setting I've included, we've got the page now. This is the URL of the page that we're going to be showing to people when they go to leave the website. So we can get a quick preview of that here if I just go to this next tab. Now this is one of the fast action templates that I'm giving you with OptinExitBlaze. And all you need to do is just open this template up in your favorite HTML editor, change the copy, add in your autoresponder code, and you're done. And it works with any autoresponder system you like. So what I've done is I've used this as an example list so you can see how it works. So we've got the page here. This is what we're going to be showing people as soon as they go to leave our website. I'll go back to the settings page again, and we have the confirm text for the splash window, which I've added here now. And of course this is just simply to get people to remain on the page so we can redirect them to the landing page itself, to the actual opt-in page, to the opt-in page template I just showed you. So okay, with that said, let's scroll down the page a little bit further here. I'm not going to be using these 2 boxes here. This is just purely optional. We have I'm setting it to show always, and I'm having it set to show on every single page, and those are the only other options that I have set this up for. So let's go ahead and try it out. Now when you're testing out OptinExitBlaze, you must log out first or test it within a different web browser than the one you're using to set everything up in. So I'm going to go to a different web browser. I'm going to use Safari here. So this is the page where I've got the OptinExitBlaze exit page showing up. So when someone arrives at this website and they go to leave this site, they're basically going to get a warning message asking them if they want to remain on the site or if they want to continue on their way. And if they want to remain on the site, then we're going to give them a free gift. So the way that it's triggered is like this. Basically, if your website visitor clicks on any of the links within their web browser across the top here, I mean any links at all, it could be some of the bookmarks they have here, navigating away to a different page, basically it will trigger OptinExitBlaze into action. So let's say, for example, I'm clicking on the home button here, the go to the home page button within my web browser, and you'll see what happens next. So I click on it and we have this warning message box come up here. It just says, wait before you go, do you want to stay on the page or leave the page? I've got a free gift for you. In this case I'm going to stay on the page so I can get my free gift. And of course here we are. This is the opt-in page I showed you earlier. So now all I'm going to do is enter my first name and email address and get my free instant access to this free bonus. So what I'm doing here is I'm turning exit traffic into subscribers in a very, very simple way. So that's all there is to it really. It's a very simple plugin, but it's very powerful at the same time. And as I say, I'm giving you 3 of these landing page or opt-in page templates that you can easily edit and adapt for your own purposes. So all that's left for you to do now is to get OptinExitBlaze and the 3 bonus opt-in page templates I'm giving you. So I look forward to speaking to you again very soon. Thanks very much.